Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Cyber Raps, and in today's episode, I'll be revealing some truths about DeepSeek AI that I probably don't know about, and also be telling you the reasons why you might be encountering issues trying to register or sign up with DeepSeek AI. So let's go. DeepSeek, that most of us may have heard of and some of us may not have, is a relatively new AI startup from China that has made waves in the tech industry this week. Known for its cost effectiveness, DeepSeek was reportedly developed using less than $6 million, while OpenAI developed the popular ChatGPT with over $100 million. Not only that, given the performance metrics, DeepSeek outperforms most of the popular AI models we have, such as ChatGPT, Cloud Sonnet, Gemini, and the rest, using less computational resources. And the amazing thing is that within the first few days of its launch, DeepSeek rose to the #1 spot in the Apple App Store, surpassing even ChatGPT. Just a week ago, the US placed a ban on TikTok for national security ramifications, and it's been a Chinese company for fear of them using their private information to carry out malicious activities. And currently, we can see that thousands and millions of people are already downloading this new Chinese app and putting various information into it. So I guess this tells us that the Chinese can never be kicked out of the tech market, especially in the US. However, this meteoric rise was abruptly overshadowed by a cyber attack that DeepSeek announced had compromised its services. The company was forced to limit new users' registration as it dealt with what was described as large-scale malicious attack, although new users can still sign in and carry out their activities. While the specifics of the attack, including the perpetrators and the exact nature of the incident, remain undisclosed, the timing raises numerous questions as to the motives behind such an incident. Questions such as, could this be a competitive sabotage, or perhaps an attempt to disrupt a new player in the AI field? The speculations abound, but there has been no concrete evidence yet to support any particular theory. So I guess this is the reason why some of them might be finding it difficult to register or sign up with DeepSeek lately, or as of then, they might have rectified it lately, who knows. Also, this is one of the major concerns. DeepSeek explicitly said they can collect your information such as your text and audio, your chat prompts, your uploaded files, content, any type of information, even your keyboard stroke, that is the reading on how you type. And it's also stated that they can share this information at their own discretion to either the public authorities or law enforcement agencies, etc. But that's not just all. The cybersecurity firm known as Wiz recently breached the database of DeepSeek, and they found publicly accessible information which were critical. Information such as, system logs, chat prompts, and the rest, over 1 million records. But DeepSeek responded immediately by sealing up their database. But regardless, this still raises a lot of concerns, because why would they need such information, a lot of information from users? So I guess you should be careful with how you use DeepSeek and the kind of information you put into it. Based on these privacy issues, the US Navy has instructed its members not to use any artificial intelligence from DeepSeek, citing potential security and ethical concerns. Although China has said in their defense that the government has and never will collect any information from company or individual located abroad against the local laws. This was stated by Mao Ning, the Chinese foreign minister spokesperson. Personally, this week has been kind of thrilling and exciting for me, with the whole drama and competition going on in the AI industry. Even Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, had to confirm it in his recent post where he made on Twitter, stating that DeepSeek annual reasoning model was impressive and that it's legit invigorating to have a new competitor. But the funny thing is that OpenAI, that was originally meant to be open source, that is free and accessible to all developers and everyone, was not. But this came and made their app to be open source. That is, anybody can use the code, play with it as they like. And this was also pointed out by senior research manager of NVIDIA, known as Chip Fan, where he stated on Twitter that we are living in this timeline where a non-US company is keeping the original mission of OpenAI alive, truly open, frontier research that empowers all. And I don't know if you guys watching the news. I think last week or thereabout, when Donald Trump invested over $500 million to improve the AI in the US. So I guess this tells us the crazy times we're living in, with AI and tech in general having been improving and evolving over the years. And for me personally, I love this. And I'm looking forward to more competition in the future, because this gives me products that are affordable. I mean, look at this. Yes, you can go look it up. And it performs far better than ChatGPT. The only disadvantage is just that the information you provide is not guaranteed that it is secured. Yes, so you have to be very careful that the information you are putting in is what you will not be scared of in the future when it's being breached. So guys, just wrap it up. The lessons here are clear. You have to be skeptical about the kind of information you provide, not just into DeepSeek AI, but in the internet generally, because you don't know whose hand the information will fall into. So always stay safe, stay updated, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So until next time, peace.